There's something on my mind, on my chest. It's been a while, now it's ready to go. I love a waiting game, but love ain't chess. So what happens next? Do the stars and moon align and conversate to find the perfect time? Yeah, maybe we were always right on track. Is it fate?